Hello everybody, thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. So for today's video, I have this Rosalind 24-piece gel polish set. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just open it up. So when we open it up, this is how the box looks. It has a little label of each number at the top of the bottle. The bottles have a matte finish and they're all 7 milliliters each, and this is the consistency. They're not too thick nor too runny, they are perfect. And as I mentioned, they have a little sticker label at the top. Here I'm gonna go and let you guys enjoy watching the swatches, and then I'll be back.
But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't no good time when it's a darker sin. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you think.
So here are my natural nails. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the picture of the design that I went ahead and made. I usually do it on my notebook, but I started doing it on my iPad now. I went ahead and already put on my Coffin tips, and this is how they all look on. Now let's go in with the color 26. I'm going to do 2 layers of this color. In between each layer, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds.
But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, I feel like I don't need you.
So here I'm going in with a bit of a darker color than the previous one I used, which is the color now 52, and I'm going ahead and outlining the line. Then I'm going in with my gel polish brush and filling that in, and then lastly I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds.
With this feeling.
Now here I'm going in with the darker color than I used previously, still part of the like a yellow type of tone, and this color is a 606. I'm just going ahead and doing my outline. Then I'm going in with my gel polish brush again, and I'm adding some gel polish on there so I can go ahead and fill the rest of the line. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So here I'm going ahead and show you guys the 3 different shades of yellow. It's very hard to see, but this is how it looks. Now onto the next nail, we're going to go in with 3 different shades of blue. So first off, I'm starting off with the color 𝐴607. And so for this nail, again, I also did 2 coats. I'm going ahead with my first coat, and then lastly I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. Now that that's cured, I'm going in with the second layer, like I said, and we're also going to go ahead and then be curing for 60 seconds. So again, I'm going in with the darker shade of blue next, and for this one, I'm going in with the color 2701. And here at the beginning, I did not really record the beginning of me doing the outline because I was out of frame. But hopefully for the most part, you guys can see what I'm basically doing. I'm just doing my outline, then grabbing my gel polish brush and filling that in. Lastly, I'm going in with my liner brush and also using that to spread the gel polish evenly throughout the nail. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds.
Goes down, driving lights in the heart.
So now that that's cured, I'm going in with the color 2709. And again, I'm starting off with my outline first, grabbing some of that gel polish. And then lastly, going ahead and using my liner brush to go ahead and fill those little gaps that I have in between. And to also make sure you know that that layer is evenly throughout the entire nail. Once we have that done, I'm going ahead and then cure it for 30 seconds. here I'm going in with my Born Pretty Super top coat, and I'm just going to go ahead and top coat each nail just because I do feel like I have a lot of lint on my table. So to avoid messing up my nails, I'm going in with the top coat first, and then I'm going ahead and then cure for 60 seconds. The rest of the nails are the exact same thing. I do have the shades up here at the screen so you guys are able to kind of tell which colors I'm using. I'll be back when I feel like I need to explain something, but for the rest of the video I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the music. So for this nail in particular, it did pop off just because, like I said, I have a peel-off base coat. I make videos a lot. So to avoid of ruining my natural nails, I just usually just put on a peel-off base coat, and then I just went ahead and actually glued these on. And yeah, that's basically it. It popped off, so I went ahead and just put them on a stand here so I can work on them before placing it back onto my nail. Anywho, I see you guys in a bit, and I'll be back. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are, please let me know down in the comment section. And also make sure you please like this video. Thank you guys so much.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a moon, my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. waste time, won't remember tonight. I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far,
Wandered till I'm broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the feelings me.
Next, I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil, and so overall for this gel polish set, I absolutely love them. They have so many colors, such a wide variety, and none of the colors were the same shade, which is absolutely great. They're really bright colors and they were super easy to apply and use, so I highly recommend. They're very beginner friendly, and as always, they're also super affordable, so I do love that. Also, I do want to thank Rosalind for this gel polish set. I absolutely loved it, and also thank you guys again so much for joining me for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this set, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye, and hopefully you guys all have a wonderful day.